Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. And if you are new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. In the intro video, the cup, I'm drinking out of this First Up, First Cup, and this is Starbucks coffee. And it is so good. This is actually my second cup of the day. I've already been up for a little bit. I've been working on getting you guys whip carts and stuff put in the video and doing my voiceover and stuff like that, and it's been fun. And so now I've come in here to do the filming part of it. So today is WIP Caddy Wednesday. Yay! We all love WIP Caddy Wednesday, and I just want to say thank you guys for putting in your photos, submitting them. It's been so much fun looking at everything. Well, today I'm going to go ahead and start with what I am working on. And this is my little piglet. Yeah, he's wonky. That's the story of my life. I can never get these faces right. I really tried. I even did the eyes like this. And yeah. Tanya, if you're watching this, I know you're dying laughing over there. But yeah, if he's straight. I guess I probably need to redo that, don't I? But yeah, Tanya, I know you're rolling over in the floor laughing. You probably fell off your bed. So, but yeah, here's my little piglet for Knox. I am using Big Twist yarn for this. It's called Light Rose. It's 100% acrylic. It's a medium 4-weight yarn. And the hook that I am using for this is, I'm using this pretty flower hook. It is a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. Let's see if you can see the flowers pretty good on there. Yeah, I like this hook. Let's see. The book. This was a gift to me, and I actually have a lot of my family members that are wanting these dolls, so I guess I'm going to be pretty busy. But here's my little piglet that I'm working on. He has circles on him. I am not putting circles on the piglet, so hopefully I will be done with this little character this week, over the weekend. So it's going to be so much fun. Oh, if you're one of my Adoring Doll Clothes fans, I will be putting my patterns on sale this weekend for the 4th of July sale. So be sure and watch out for my crochet patterns, because all my patterns, it won't just be my doll clothes, but everything in my store, including my flash drives, everything is going to be on sale, 35% off. So be sure and check the 4th of July sale. All right, guys, let's go ahead and watch the little clip of all the beautiful things that you guys have been working on. So let's just let it roll. Now here we have Patsy's cart. She says that the top shelf has her patriotic doll outfit, which is one of my patterns. So you can go to my Etsy shop and check that pattern out. She says she just got to make the shoes and the last of the blue squares to sew, and then she will sew the strips together. She says she's just about to be done with the beast. In the basket is the patriotic squares for a small table cover for the porch. That sounds really cool, Patsy. The bottom shelf are books and Bible, because that's how she rolls. The white dog is just a camera hound. Have a blessed week, crochet friends. Oh, the doggy is so cute. Just a camera hound. You're so hilarious, Patsy. Thank you so much for sharing all this with us. Okay, so here we have Suzanne's cart, and I love the blanket that you have on top there. It is just beautiful. And she said that most of all her whips are all done except for the blanket here. And then when she finishes that, she is going to start on the mystery crochet along that I have going on my channel. So Susanna, that is going to be fun to start seeing your squares. And have fun finishing that blanket. It is gorgeous, and thank you for sharing that with us. Okay, so here we have Rose cart. She says that on the top shelf she has hooks, books, and other stuff, and hand lotion, and etc. The second shelf, she's finishing up the Garden Party Tee from Jean on the Hook Crochet using Kobo Magenta. And also an easy filet crochet top. It's a free pattern from Two Brothers Blankets. The bottom shelf is holding her blocks for the mystery crochet along and some crochet books and magazines. And Rose, I'm so glad you're participating in the mystery crochet along. Thank you so much for sharing with us and for inspiring us. Now here we have Winnie's cart. Winnie, you have some beautiful yarns up there, some Mandela yarn. I see a Crochet World magazine, some cotton yarn, some Caron cakes. And the beautiful project that you got hanging on the side there is very pretty. I love those colors. Thank you so much, Winnie, for sharing with us. We appreciate that very, very much. So now we're looking at Cheryl's WIP cart. She says on the top is the essential sweater that is my crochet pattern. So thank you so much for that, Cheryl, for making that. The yarn is Hobie Glitter Delight. Color is Forest and it sparkles. The second shelf is a poncho from BOD, which is Bag O Day. And the bottom shelf is extra yarn for her sweaters. Oh my gosh, it is just beautiful, and I love all those colors that you have chosen. Thank you so much for sharing with us, Cheryl. So now we have Jane's WIP cart right here, and she says that on the top shelf she has the 4th of July basket from last year filled with scrubbies. I love my 4th of July basket that I made last year. On the second shelf she has towel toppers using my patterns. Thank you so much for that. Matter of fact, I just got through looking the other day to see my highest watched video, and my crochet towel toppers was my highest watched video. So thank you guys so much for support on that certain video. She says that she'll be giving these to her friend Mary for the New Orleans mission trip in October. And on the bottom shelf, she has cruising ducks that she's making for an upcoming cruise that her hubby and her are going on in September. And oh my gosh, that sounds fun. I never thought about making the crochet ducks. That's just adorable. She said she's going to be hiding them on the ship for other cruisers to find, and she's going to be making about 50 of them. That is awesome, Jane. I'm going to have to do something like that on my next cruise. And she says for everyone to have a blessed week, and Jane, you have a blessed week as well. Now here we have Lori's cart, and she says that on the top shelf she has a dog from Sweet Crochet Friends book, which I have that book, and that dog is so cute. She plans to sew on 3 green buttons on the front, and the stockinette knitted scarf is for her son, and she needs to block it. The middle shelf has a blue knit hat, Colleen Wister hat, a free pattern by Courtney Kelly, and she's also making thread crochet earrings for her mom and working on her current Annie's I Love to Crochet Kit Club project. And the bottom of the card has her crochet alongs that she's doing from Repeat Crafter Me. And the gnome squares are corner to corner technique, and the animal squares are using mostly single crochet. She says she's also started a new crochet sweater found in Interweave Crochet Magazine Winter 2017 edition. Everything just looks so beautiful, Lori. Thank you so much for sharing with us. Okay, so now we have Melinda's cart. She says that the top shelf is a triangle shoulder bag using Red Heart Icelandic. The middle shelf is parts of a turtle from Cute Critters book, recommended by Llama Mama Kayla. And she said now to get her put together. Next is a child-sized poncho by Creative Grandma. She's using Mandela Baby. Bottom shelf is a few new cakes that she can't decide what to make with, ponchos or shawls, possibly, she says. Thank you so much, Melinda, for sharing this with us. Now here we have Kathleen's cart. She says that the top shelf holds granny squares that she's working on for 2 blankets, and she just finished the log cabin blanket. And the middle and lower shelves hold yarn for blankets and other projects. And she said, happy summer, everyone. Well, Kathleen, your cart's beautiful. You have some beautiful projects going, and happy summer to you as well. So here we have Angela's cart, and I just love the cute kitty on the left side. Just adorable. She says that on her WIP Caddy, the top is a dumpling cat from Dumpling Cats, which I have that book, and that's a pretty cool book. The middle is the gnome caddy from Annie's, and the bottom is extra yarn, not sure what she's going to do with it, and the bag is the kit from Annie's Casablanca. Everything looks so pretty, Angela. Thank you so much for sharing with us. So here we have Monica's space, and I just love this picture. So the little kitty cat says that Mom is working on an Afghan for her big bed, and the hook is a Tulip Edamo 5.5 millimeter. The yarn is Red Heart Super Saver in Gray Heather, Lavender, and Carrot. And it says Stardust Melodies Crochet Along. It is a paid pattern by Polly Plum from 2017. 24 different blocks. And he says, or the kitty cat says, love all the textures. Mom will post a pic of me with the 72 squares when they are done. And we look forward to that, Monica. Thank you so much for sharing that. And the heart is just so pretty. Very pretty. Okay, so here we have Kelly's, and Kelly's has on the top shelf, the top and the middle shelf, I believe, are both Bag O' Day blanket patterns, and I believe the top one is called the Stevens Throw. I'm not sure about the middle one. The yarn that she used is Caron Cake Beach Glass, and the bottom is 4th of July Wind Spinners with Stars. And on Facebook, she does leave links to these in case you are interested in making these. And they are just beautiful, Kelly. Thank you so much for sharing those with us. Okay, guys, you have some beautiful, wonderful projects. I love them all. Let's go ahead and do our Be Still and Know devotion. Father of light, whatever is good and perfect comes to us from God, the creator of all light, and he shines forever without change or shadow. That's James chapter 1, verse 17. In the beginning, the earth was void and darkness was on the face of the deep. God transformed this darkness with a command, "Let there be light." God saw the light and declared it good. Light is a magnificent part of God's creation. It reflects some of God's nature in that it dispels darkness. Nothing hides in the light. Our Heavenly Father is perfect, and therefore He is able to give you good and perfect things. You may already feel blessed by His goodness, or you may wonder if you have received anything perfect from Him. If you doubt His goodness, which is okay at times, remember that He has given you perfect love and grace in the form of Jesus Christ. Nothing can change His love. Nothing can cast a shadow on His mercy. Allow this truth to permeate your heart. Heavenly Father, thank you that you created light and that you are light in the world. Thank you for showing me that you are a good and merciful God. Help me to accept that your goodness towards me will never change. All right, guys, I enjoyed that so much, bringing that to you guys. Tomorrow's video, I will be showing you what the square for week 6 is going to be for all of you that are participating in the Mystery Crochet Along. So I'm having a lot of fun with that, and I can tell that you guys are too, the ones that are working on that. And if you're not working on it, you can always save the playlist for later, and you can go back and work on it at your own convenience. It doesn't have to be like right when I'm doing it. You can do it anytime. So guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember, live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.